Oh, sorry, I used to not have somebody. I was about to throw my gloves at your feet. I apologize.
That's the cab, we're in it. Trying to see the place where all the stuff goes.
Holy. Control 418. Crash. Behind us. It's got a massive explosion just to the east of me. It looks like the 187. Looks like it's going to be multiple vehicle, road meds. Give me another trooper now.
Control 6 sign in out.
Control 418, contact CVS. Stay here for now. That's all. Control 418, both lanes of traffic are shut down. I don't know if we're going to be able to get to him. Control 418 driver might be trapped. Need extrication en route now. We need to try and get this guy out, if he's in here. He's in there, he's in there. Try to extinguish that fire with your extinguisher. Can you hear me? Sir! Can you get out?
Yes, I can.
I need help! Alright, we need to get this guy out. Sir! Grab my hand. Come on! Gotta get you out of here! Come on, bro. Move back this way, back this way. Over here. Control 418, we freed one driver, unsure on the other. We need to be farther away. Get him back to that truck if you can. We have freed one driver, unsure of the other. Two semis involved. Control 418, contact Statecom. We need ITD en route for traffic control. We got him out of this one. I haven't even been able to get close to that other truck.
Okay.
We're on the eastbound side right now.
Get in here.
All right.
I heard it at my shop, man.
Yeah. Have him respond on the eastbound side if he's on Furns Roads.
They're saying you guys are requesting extrication?
We're not going to be able to get him out. There's another driver.
Only 2 semis?
2 semis. And we got 1 driver out. I have no idea where the other guy is. I think he's in there. I tried to see him. Okay, let's see if we can get in there. Yep, fuck it. That's right.